All right, calculus and the natural sciences. One of you sent me an email about this particular problem, so I want to take just a second. Let me stop this. Now I've got it frozen so I can write on it. And kind of talk about a couple of things. First of all, we're given this equation for height. And using our rules of derivatives, we know that if the height is 5t minus 0.83 t squared, then the velocity will be the derivative of that. (1.66 t to the 1). And the first question asks for the velocity after 2 seconds, which is a time. So we can plug that into our equation, plug a 2 into that, and I get 5 minus 1.66 times 2, which is 5 minus 2.32. 12 carry my 1 is 12. 13 carry my 1. It should be 3.32, which is 1.68, which matches here. Now the second question asks for the height not after a time, but after it's risen to a height of 5 meters. Now recognize that this is going to go up and then it's going to come down, so it's going to have a height of 5 meters twice. Once on the way up and once on the way down. Now my equation involves time, so to turn that height into time, I'm going to plug it right there. My height is going to be 5. The equation tells me that equals 5t minus 0.83 t squared. I'm going to erase this. That's a quadratic equation, so setting that equal to 0, I have 0.83 t squared minus 5t plus 5 equals 0. So for my quadratic equation, a is 0.83, b is negative 5, c is positive 5. And I'm going to pause just a second while I work that out on the quadratic equation. So now, working that quadratic equation out with my calculator, I get t equals 4.758 approximately, or 1.266 approximately. Well, this one's the one on the way up, and this is the one on the way down, so the question's going to use this for time. And if I plug that into this formula for velocity right up here, here's my formula for velocity, and simply plug that in right there, being careful of the way you type that in your calculator. 5 minus, and open some parentheses, 1.66 times 1.266. That'll clean up to be about 2.90. Sorry for the delay while I figured all that out on my calculator, but I thought that'd be kind of tedious to make you watch all that. Be sure and send me questions if you get stuck on a problem, and I'll be happy to make a video for you. Thanks.